5 signs that a cat loves its owner. First, when you come home and open the door every day, the cat will stand at the door waiting and circle around you. It means the cat is happy to see you come back safely. Second, when you go to the toilet, cat will guard the door. The cat thinks that using the toilet will produce smell and vulnerable to predators, so it wants to protect you. If you take too long, it will scratch the door to confirm if you are still alive. Third, when you're sleeping, it will stay by your side. It will come and kiss you when you fall asleep. This is to confirm if you are still breathing, to remind you not to sleep deeply. Once a natural enemy attacks you, it wants you to run away at once.